Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a review on this package. It's a MacBook 16-inch pouch from Be Fine. So I got the MacBook recently, and putting it in my bag and taking it out, it caused some micro scratches. So I got this. And I'm going to do a quick unboxing and we're going to get started on the review. Okay, so as you can see, it's a pretty nice color. From a company called Be Fine. This is actually a Korean company. So the packaging is very simple. It's not much of an unboxing experience. Okay, so the cool thing about this is it's actually made to stand up with your laptop. So this is like extra firm, and your this part is going to be like a lip to hold the computer in place. So it's just put this thing in. So it's actually a really nice fit, and it's held with a magnet. Yeah, it's all leather. The back is just all blue. There's nothing too special about it. Okay, so I'm gonna just test out and see how this actually works. Just take it out, prop it up, and should be able to open it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it through one of my personal use cases and just render a quick picture and hopefully get the fans to start up. I'm not going to be checking any of the thermals because I don't think it's going to be too big of a difference, but it does give it more airflow because now it's all open, it's not against the table. And the fan that's blowing out back here, the vents in the back, the air from the back shouldn't go all the way down here, so hopefully that will work. I'm going to do a quick rendering, and hopefully I can just feel for the fan. Okay, so the fan started working. It's turning on now. I have iStat menus, but for some reason the sensors for the heat doesn't show up here, so I only have all these stats. Seems to be working fine. I can feel a lot of the air coming out through the back. So like I said, it's nothing too scientific. I'm just testing to see if it works like this. And another thing I'm going to be testing is the typing experience and see if it works. Okay, now I'm going to test the typing experience because that's another reason I got this. Because now that it's propped up a little bit, I should be able to type a little easier. I'm just going to create some new document pages. Let's try. And I'm gonna try it without this. Just flat. Actually, this typing experience is way better than when it's just flat on the ground like this. I like having that little bit of elevation. And again, airflow is another key part of this. So I'm actually gonna try putting this into my backpack and to see if it fits nicely. Because technically my bag isn't supposed to fit things that are too big, but hopefully it works. It's a little worrying because it's not technically made to fit this. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. It fits perfectly. That's very snug. Okay, that's a problem. Okay, so I made a mistake, and this doesn't actually fit in this backpack. So I'm just going to talk about the features of this. Okay, so in short, this is actually a really nice pouch. It's high quality, it feels great. The only problem I had with it was that it didn't fit in my bag, which was mostly my problem. They actually have a lot of these pouches for different laptops as well. So if you have like the 13-inch or even the 15-inch, you can get this too. And they even have some for some Samsung laptops, and I think overall it's a good investment. It's not too expensive for what you're getting, and it also, all the extra features that comes with it is really nice. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.